So hello YouTube, sorry for the bad sound, we're in the garage. So Commencal Meta AM 2021 with Rockshox ZEB Ultimate. So I've checked all the bolts, everything is tied perfectly, but I've got an issue with the fork. It's only the second ride I make with it, and suddenly very noisy creaks and noises are appearing, so I'm gonna try to show you that. The first one is when I'm up on the bike and compressing the fork around 30–40% travel. And the second thing is when I open the fork, like hit the ground, opening the head angle and braking hardly. And then you can hear a creak, very loud creak. I heard that on forks before. And that's why I'm on Rockshox, to avoid creaks, but it seems to happen here. So let's show you the first noise. So first noise, I move slowly towards you and I compress the fork. Let me do that again. So one last time, it's very consistent. And I've checked the brakes. I attached the hose correctly, nothing is moving or making any kind of weird noises. And I don't have to brake to reproduce that sound. So it's just here. And the other one is the worst. So here I open the fork. And I don't know if you heard that, I'm going to do it again. Very hard creak. Not this time. Oh, horrible. So this is what I want to show you. So brand new bike, and quite frankly, I'm a little bit worried about this Rockshox ZEB. So I'll let you know later how it goes with the warranty and everything. Cheers, guys.